Progress continues on the Pope St. John Paul II Athletic Center. Workers have dug the pool and poured the concrete for its lining. The concrete has also been poured for the outdoor tennis and basketball courts. And the clock has been installed on the outside of the tower that will house the gym's indoor climbing walls. Inside, workers have painted the gymnasium and installed the basketball hoops. Drywall and painting are complete in the workout rooms, and the locker rooms have been tiled. Outside, stadium lights have been installed on the athletic fields for nighttime competition. The athletic center is nearing completion. The college is deeply grateful to the Fritz B. Burns Foundation of Los Angeles, whose generous grant has made construction of the Pope St. John Paul II Athletic Center possible.